Replacing windows in your Conway home is one of the most effective ways to improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, and increase property value. Whether you're replacing a single window or upgrading every unit in your home, knowing what to expect during the window installation process can reduce stress and help the project go smoothly. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you prepare for your window installation. Pre-installation planning and consultation. The first step in any successful window installation project is a thorough consultation with your contractor. During this phase, you'll discuss your goals, energy efficiency, aesthetics, noise reduction, etc. Choose window styles and materials suited to Conway's climate and your personal preferences. Receive a detailed quote that includes timelines, costs, and material. Schedule your installation date. A reputable contractor will measure your current windows precisely to ensure your new windows are a perfect fit. This pre-installation planning ensures there are no surprises when the project begins. Preparing your home for installation date. Leading up to the installation date, homeowners can take several steps to make the process smoother. Clear access to all windows, remove furniture, curtains, blinds, or wall decor, or disable security systems on windows scheduled for replacement. Protect floors and furnishings near the work area. Secure pets in a separate room to avoid safety issues. Alert neighbors if you live in a tight-knit Conway community or wall environment. Installers may use drop cloths or protective coverings, but preparing in advance minimizes disruption. What happens on installation day? On installation day, your professional window team will arrive with all tools and materials. Here's how the day typically unfolds. Removal of old windows. Technicians will carefully remove each existing window. This can involve prying off interior or exterior trim, unscrewing old fasteners, and cautiously extracting the unit to avoid damage to the surrounding structure. Preparation of the opening. Before inserting the new window, the opening is cleaned, inspected, and sometimes adjusted. If the wood framing or insulation is damaged, minor repairs are usually made on the spot. Window installation. Each new window is precisely leveled and secured. Insulation foam is applied around the frame to seal air gaps and prevent drafts. Then, exterior and interior trims are reinstalled or replaced. Cleanup and inspection. Once all windows are in place, the crew will clean up debris and remove old windows from your property. A final walkthrough ensures every window opens, locks, and seals properly. Most single-day projects can finish within 4 to 8 hours, but whole home replacements might take 1 to 2 days. Post-installation tips. After the installation is complete, the contractor should provide you with a maintenance guide and warranty information. A few things to keep in mind. Inspect the work with your installer. Don't hesitate to ask questions. Check for drafts or sticking windows within the first few days. Review warranties for both windows and labor. Register your window products with the manufacturer, if needed. Keep your receipt and installation paperwork somewhere safe in case you ever need to claim warranty service. Long-term benefits and peace of mind. A professionally installed window project in Conway offers both immediate and long-term advantages. Lower utility bills thanks to improved energy efficiency. Reduced noise from traffic or neighbors. Enhanced curb appeal that can increase resale value. Greater comfort in your home year-round. With quality materials and experienced installers, your new windows can perform beautifully for 20 years or more. Final thoughts. Understanding the window installation process helps you prepare your home, manage your expectations, and ensure a smooth experience. If you're planning a project in Conway, partner with a trusted local contractor who values communication, precision, and customer care. With the right team, new windows can transform your home in just a few days, leaving you with a more comfortable, beautiful, and efficient space.